Good afternoon, student. This is a computer class for class 8 and it is a D number 29 and lecture number 29. Student, we are going from chapter number 2, that is MS Access, queries, forms and reports. So before move forward, let me call let me recall the topic that I had explained you yesterday. What I explained you yesterday? I explained you yesterday the form. What is form? Form allow you to control the look and feel of the screen for the input of data and report generated. I'm repeating, form allow you to control the look and feel of the screen for the input of data and report generated. We also learn different forms view, and I given you this table to draw in the homework. I hope all of you have drawn it in your fair copy on the plain side of the page. Okay, now just move forward. Yesterday we learned also that there are three views: design view, form view and layout view. So let me move forward. Today we will learn creating a form. Okay, that how to create the form. Access forms are much like paper forms. You can use forms to enter, edit or display data. Okay, I'm repeating. Access forms are much like paper forms. You can use forms to enter, edit or display data. Okay, student, you can choose the format, the arrangement of field which you want to display. For example, suppose that you are creating a form of your class or your school, in which for creating a form you need a table or queries. Okay, suppose that you have a table, student, from which you are going to create the table. So if you and this table has a field: roll number, name, class, section, TOP, address. And when you are going to create the form, you only want to show the roll number, name, address and not the class and section. Okay, so with the help of form you are able to create the form with your chosen field. Okay, student, now I'm going to explain you the step to create form. What are the steps to create a form? Here are some steps with the help of you are able to create the form. These steps teaches you how to create a form. Student, you already know that you can create a form from a table or a query, and you already know that You can use the table that is already made and save in your computer, or you can make a new table for the purpose of using this table or query in your form. Okay, understood? Now let me explain the steps one by one. In step number 1, click the create tab. In step number 2, click the form design button. Step number 3, click the format tab. Step number 4, click the add existing fields button. Okay. In step number 5, in the field list on the right, click and drag the fields you would like on the form. Okay. And in step number 6, to change the colors and fonts, click and drag the fields you would like on the form. Okay. To change the color, that means when you are going to create the form, you can choose the color what you want to put in your form. That suppose that you want to make the form with blue color, then you can choose the blue color. Suppose that you want to choose the pink color, then you are able to choose the pink color for creating the form. Okay. And same as which fonts you want, that means if you want to make the field bold, italic or underline, then there are the facilities available to change the color and font while making the form. Okay. In step number 7, choose the selection you wish to modify. That means, what is the meaning of modify? That means if you want to change in the form, then you can change it. Okay. Now step number 8, choose the properties you wish to modify. You can also modify the properties that you want to change. Modify means to change. Okay. And what are the properties? Suppose that if you want to change the data type of any field, suppose that you make the DOB field as in the beginning text field, so you can change it in the date format. Suppose that you want to make the roll number field as a numeric field, then you can change it in numeric from text to numeric. So here are the facility to change the properties. I'm repeating these steps one by one again. Step 1, click to create tab. Step 2, click the form design button. Step 3, click the format tab. Step 4, click the add existing field button. Step 5, in the field list on the right, click and drag the field you would like on the form. Okay. And step number 6, what is the step number 6? To change the colors and font, click and drag the field you would like on the form. Okay. And step number 7, choose the selection you wish to modify. And in step number 8, choose the properties you wish to modify. Okay. From using these steps, you are able to create the form. In our next lecture, I will show you the demonstration of how to create the form. Today I am only explaining you the steps to how to create the forms. Okay, student? Now, to preview the form, when you created your form, and after this you want to preview, you want to look at how your forms looks like. Then with the help of these steps you are able to have a look on the form, that how it's looked like. So what are the steps to preview the form? Step number 1, on the home tab click the views button. Step number 2, click the form view button. I'm repeating this step. Step number 1, on the home tab click the views button. Step number 2, click the form view button. So this is the topic for today. Now note down the homework for today. What is the homework for today? Just write here. Writing here. What is the homework for today? Write the steps. Write the steps to preview. Write the step to preview the form in your rough copy. Okay, rough copy, and also learn it. Okay, what is the homework? Write the step to preview the form in your rough copy and also learn it. Okay, so now this is the lecture for today. Tomorrow we will see how to create the form with the help of demonstration that I will give you. That means the practical of how to create the form. Till now, stay home, stay safe. God bless you.